Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Guys, if you have Samsung S23 series including Samsung S23 FE, then there's a good news. Samsung has started rolling out a new software update for Samsung S23 series. Currently, this update has been rolled out in Korea for S23 series. Other countries like India, US will also soon receive. If you have Samsung S23 series, just go to settings and you can check the updates. Okay, let me show you some details of this update. So this is a simple Febuary security page update. The bugs has been fixed. The security has been improved. Okay, so this is the Samsung S23 FE update. You can see it's from Korea. The language is Korea. Okay, the update size is 258 MB. And as I told you, this is not a One UI 7 update. It's a simple security page update. So it will enhance your security and will bring some bugs fix like battery, heating and all. Okay, and this is for Samsung Galaxy S23 series. I think this is for Samsung S23 Ultra or what. So update size is 433 MB, you can see. And this is also a normal security bugs fix update for Samsung S23 Ultra, etc. And I found this screenshot on Reddit also. I think some English speaking countries like England or US has also received February update for Samsung S23 series. You can see the screenshot. You can see the date and February 1 security. And I searched on Google and Samsung member app that is there any issue up after this February security update on Samsung S23 FE or Samsung S23 series, like green line, heating issue, battery drain. So I did not find any complaint till now. So I think this update is completely safe. And I have S23 FE. I live in India. Currently in India, there is no update till now. I'm from India, so I haven't received the February update till now. If I receive the update, I will make a review video after installing that, how it's working. Is it working properly? Green line issue, battery drain issue. Alright guys, so if you have Samsung S23 series, you can go to your phone settings and check for the updates. And One UI 7 official update for Samsung S23 series. Currently there is no official news from Samsung and there is no big leaks also, like when will S23 series will get One UI 7 official update. If there is any news, I will definitely make video and inform you guys. Okay, and guys, if you have Samsung phones, do subscribe to my channel. I upload Samsung One UI 7 related latest news and Samsung tips and tricks videos. If I will get the update in S23 FE, obviously I will do a review. Okay, bye, have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Take care.